touch your chest. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Now you want to go with your head. When you point this side, you go 1, 2. Nice. Now it's a little bit faster. It's like 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Nice. You're here, right? Everybody here? Then 1, 2. Easy. So when you're here, 1, 2. Then shake, shake. So your right leg goes 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Easy. So let's start from here. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2. Shake, shake. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2. Shake, shake. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice.